HTML links. Today, we would learn about different HTML links. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. A link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any other HTML element. The HTML tag defines a hyperlink. It has the following syntax. A ref equals URL link text, A. The most important attribute of the A element is the ref attribute, which indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to the specified URL address. For example, this example shows how to create a link to weschools.com. A ref equals snarcoachings.com web link snarcoachings, A. By default, links will appear as follows in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple. An active link is underlined and red. HTML links, the target attribute. By default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link. The target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. The target attribute can have one of the following values. _self, default. Opens the document in the same window, tab as it was clicked. _blank, opens the document in a new window or tab. _parent, opens the document in the parent frame. _top, opens the document in the full body of the window. For example, use target equals _blank to open a linked document in a new browser window or tab. H2 absolute URLs/H2. Paref equals www.w3.org web link. Paref equals www.google.com web link. H2 relative URLs/H2. Paref equals html_images.asp html images/a/p. Paref equals /css/default.asp css tutorial/a/p. The next thing to learn is how to use an image as a link. To use an image as a link, just put the img tag inside the a tag. For example, aref equals default.asp. img src equals smiley.gif alt equals html tutorial style equals width:42px, height:42px. /a. The next thing to learn is how to link an email address. Use mailto inside the ref attribute to create a link that opens the user's email program, to let them send a new email. For example, a ref equals mailto someone at example.com send email, A. The next thing to learn is to use button as a link. To use an HTML button as a link, you have to add some JavaScript code. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens at certain events, such as a click of a button. For example, button on click equals document.location equals default.asp HTML tutorial, button. How to use links for bookmarks. Bookmarks can be useful if a web page is very long. To create a bookmark, first create the bookmark, then add a link to it. When the link is clicked, the page will scroll down or up to the location with the bookmark. For example, first, use the id attribute to create a bookmark. H2 id equals C4 chapter 4/H2. Then, add a link to the bookmark, jump to chapter 4, from within the same page. For example, aref equals #C4 jump to chapter 4/A.